Hi, I'm Shtukence. Today we're going to cook amazing Russian pancakes. It's called Blini. They are really thin, crispy, and amazingly tasty. Let's do it together. We will need milk, 100 milliliters, 3 eggs, white flour, 200 grams, sugar, 2 spoons, oil. You can take olive oil or you can take sunflower seed oil, 2 tablespoons, and small punch of salt. Put 500 milliliters of milk to the bowl. Now add 3 eggs. Now sift 200 grams of white flour, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm taking vanilla sugar. And 2 full tablespoons of oil. Now salt a little, around half small spoon of salt. Now whip with your hands everything, or you can use mixer. So this mixture is ready to go. Now we have to fry our pancakes. Now add a little drop of oil to your pan to protect the surface. And this method works better with pan without any anti-sticking coverage, but if your pan has some coverage, check the instruction if you can apply this method. So please tell me in the comments, do you like this and did it help you? Let's fry pancakes. First pancake is not the best one, usually, but keep trying. Guys, in this video I had some troubles with my pan. And what happened? I tried to fry my pancakes to show how to do that, and I used basically my first this pan. That was my favorite pan actually previously, and I had another video on my Easy Peasy channel, that channel where I show some life hacks for life, and I show how to clean it and work with it. And I started frying my pans on this pan, and it happens that this pan broke, so the coverage was very bad, so everything sticks. And I took second one, I had second pan. This I took it from trash can from my parents. They they didn't want to use it anymore because it's really very bad and old, and I took it for myself, and I really rarely use it, but for this video I had to use it, and nothing worked again. So my pancakes didn't work for this video, and so when you will see that I'm trying to fry it, I'm sorry that nothing worked really well. But then after I filmed this video, I ordered new pan because this is just so bad. And this is my new pan, and I will show you maybe in my next videos where I will fry pancakes again. Look, this nice flower, and this made in Russia. Isn't it beautiful? I like it. This is ready pancakes. They should be really thin, like several millimeters. Oh, no, much less. Like a paper.